What is the Internet of Things? We can start by taking a look at a single sensor, say a Wi-Fi connected refrigerator. It can read and send its internal temperature to whatever needs the data through the internet. But when we have thousands, millions, or even billions of refrigerators, cars, and even medical implants, it becomes a giant network of devices, all communicating massive amounts of data. This is what we call the Internet of Things. So let's take a look at a bus. It's got lots of data it's sending back to HQ. Speed, location, capacity, fuel, and much more. That much data even a personal computer could handle. But the transportation industry isn't a single bus. It's got thousands of buses, all communicating the same type of data at the same time. A transportation company has to be able to handle that. Let's say we've got all the data stored safely, no problem. But what if a bus fails due to a popped tire or is falling behind schedule due to traffic? Then the company has to get real alerts when things go wrong. Of course, they're going to want to graph this data and use it to predict what might go wrong in the future to keep their customers happy. This entire process boils down to 4 problems: massive data ingestion, real-time alerts, real-time analytics, and advanced predictive analytics. With currently available solutions, handling all 4 problems is a big mess. Some solutions are good at data ingestion, but are terrible with analytics. Some can give real-time alerts, but can't hold the data long enough for predictive analysis. Putting these solutions together end up with data being moved around needlessly, resulting in higher costs and more headaches when something inevitably goes wrong. Here at Esgyn, we've developed a solution that can handle all 4 of these workloads with ease. Let's take a look. We don't have thousands of buses at our disposal, but what we do have is a virtual dashboard that we can use to spam our servers with as much data as we want. We can simulate this in real life by taking it from 0 messages per second to 1,000. This way, we're taking the data and storing it into EsgynDB in real time. Now that we have the data, we want to know when something goes wrong. Say there's a gas leak on the bus and it catches on fire. We can see that this data is immediately sent to the server, and a few seconds later, an alert is triggered, letting us act on it. If we want to perform analytics on the data, we need to have enough to analyze it. Not only does our solution report the live data, but it also stores it persistently for later use. The fact that all of the data from the beginning of time is kept in the database allows us to even do advanced analytics, making predictions from past data for the future. So now we have the solution, but how do we use it? No need to worry. We use any IoT protocol like MQTT to communicate our data, making it possible to switch from other providers to Esgyn effortlessly, thus letting you reap the benefits of less data movement and lower cost.